Hey guys, what's up? Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to use rooted apps and give root permission to the apps with virtual Xposed in any non-rooted phones so easily. So what to wait guys, let's get in the video and see how to do it. First, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so you never miss any video from ATZ. To the description box, you will find a link. Just open the link in a browser and you will be redirected to a web page of Game Guardian. Here we will find the app Virtual Xposed. Get down here and go download this file. Now download it. I already have downloaded it. I don't need to download it again. Just download the app and install the app. Now I'm getting in the app. Okay. When you enter the app, you will be asked for some permissions. Give them the permissions. Okay, now you will see a 3 red dot button. Get there and you will find the app interface. Now go to advanced settings. Here you will find install or uninstall Google services. Tap on it. You will be asked to install the Google services. I already have installed it. I don't need to install it again. Now go to file manager. It will download a file manager for you. And go to your manage Xposed module. There you will find the fake G app. You need to enable it. After enabling it, you need to reboot the mobile. Okay, now get to permission manager. It will ask you to download the permission manager. Just download it. It's just 1.7 MB. That's it. Your app is ready to use. Now whenever you need to add any app that you can't access without root in your phone, you can easily use the rooted app or the root needed app by this app. Just go to the 3 dot button and go to add app, and from here you can easily add any app you need to run. Okay, you can also select the app what you need to run from your internal storage too. So that's a very good thing. The big problem is you cannot use root in every mobile phone. Some mobile phones does not support root, and you can find containing files or important files for root. So this can be a great solution to your mobile phone to use rooted apps in your non-rooted mobile. Okay, that's the video for today. Hope you like the video. If you like it, just press the like button. If you need to know anything about it or just you need to improve the video, comment down there. And especially please share and subscribe the channel because you are the hope.